Install the middle support and shell bracket using the base middle alignment fixture. Install the box outside walls by aligning the pins on each wall and sliding the wall in and down. Ensure the handle is facing out of the box. Install the back panels, noting the inside hook should clip into the middle support bracket and the base should be inside the base lip. Install the top panel, ensuring each alignment pin is locked in place. There are 6 alignment pins total, 2 on each side and 2 in the middle. Install the individual shelves. Hand tighten the top panel using the 2 alignment screws. Install each door panel aligning the top hinge pin, followed immediately by aligning the bottom hinge pin. Close door to ensure fitment.